How video marketing works. Essentially, this is a three-step process I want to just take you through. Perhaps you've heard of video marketing but aren't quite sure exactly what it means and how it works. Let me show you the process that I'm going to be showing you here in the video series. The first step is going to be creating a video. Obviously, I'm going to show you how to do that. Once you have the video, you submit the video to multiple video websites. Again, the idea here is to tell as many people as possible about your video, and that means accessing lots of video websites. Of course, the most popular is YouTube, but there are actually dozens of sites out there. We'll be talking about what I consider to be the most important ones, the ones that you should be spending your time submitting to. Once you have your video submitted, you receive not only backlinks but also traffic as your video is distributed around the net. Let me show you an example of what I'm talking about here. I am here at YouTube, and I just went ahead and typed in dog training to search. Actually, I typed in dog training guide, and you can see that a video came up here. It shows an example of a hearing guide dog and just training a dog. And I just wanted to show you, if you watch the end of the video here, when the video is over, of course, they mention their website. So again, the hope here is that somebody goes to the internet because they want to learn how to train their dog. And dog training, if I wanted to learn how to do it, of course, seeing a video actually do it, that's really cool. So I would, I can understand why this video would be popular. So again, to back up here, look at the end of the video here, you can see that they drop their website name. So the hope is that after the person watches the video, they will come to the website to learn more. Also, in the description of the video is where they have their backlink, which means that this video is posted on YouTube as a page, and on that page is a link to their site. So this person now has a backlink from YouTube. So as you can imagine, if you took this video and submitted it to a dozen other sites, that would be a dozen new backlinks, and they're not just regular backlinks, they're important ones. So this description here, are people really going to look at the video and then read the description and click on the link? Well, you put the link first, so hopefully they will, but a lot of people won't. The purpose is, of course, to get the backlink, which is really important, but also, the video itself is a tool to help pull people to your website. So that is essentially how video marketing works. So then let's go ahead then and get started with talking about how we're going to make our own videos.